Managing rental property maintenance can easily get out of control, with small jobs stacking up, routine maintenance tasks getting missed, and tenants complaining constantly. Landlord Studio's property maintenance feature is an easy-to-use work order management system that allows you to keep track of and prioritize maintenance jobs, so that all your important maintenance tasks are completed fast and nothing gets forgotten. You can use this feature via the mobile app or desktop. Simply select Maintenance from the left-hand menu. Here you'll see all of your current tasks, as well as any tasks completed in the last 30 days. You can easily filter tasks and search for older completed tasks. Select Create New Task to add a new job. Add the description, a deadline, and priority status, and add up to 5 images. You can rearrange your tasks by simply dragging and dropping, and easily update maintenance progress by dragging it across columns. You can also allow tenants to submit maintenance requests. You'll need to turn this setting on in the general settings. Your tenant will be able to access the Maintenance tab in the Tenant portal. There, they can create new tasks and review the progress of active tasks. You'll be notified by email when a tenant submits a new request and can review and update it in the app. What are you waiting for? Get started for free today!